What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing another video on the interior sound from the Corsa cold air intake, and that is because I'm preparing to sell this truck. Therefore, I removed the Borla aftermarket exhaust and the stock exhaust is back on, so you can hear the intake much more, in my opinion. Now gives you a more true sound of what you'll actually hear if you have stock exhaust on one of these Hemi trucks. So without further ado, let's go do some pedal exercises here and listen along. I'm gonna give it some beans here. Okay, well, there you go. Short and sweet and to the point. I mean, you really got to floor it to really hear it anyways, so I can't really do any sort of variation in throttle. It's just kind of floor it and listen to it, and that's what you're going to hear if you don't have aftermarket exhaust on your 19 and newer Ram. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, check out all my other videos, and check me out on all my socials. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.